update on the equity markets. The Nifty has witnessed a volatile trading session today. It opened with a gap up. Thereafter, it was trading with a positive bias for the first hour or so. Thereafter, around 11 in the afternoon, we saw a sharp fall, which however was contained, and the Nifty ultimately at the end of the day closed with a gain of 108 points for the day. The market breadth was positive with 978 advances to 496 declines. From the Nifty 50 pack, we had HDFC Limited, HDFC Bank, Reliance, L&T, ITC, M&M, ICICI Bank all closing with gains today, while Lupin, Bharti, Hindalco, NTPC, HUL and DLF closed the day on a negative note. Now we will have a look at the daily charts. On the daily charts, you can observe that the Nifty has closed in the positive today. Our sense is that it has completed its right shoulder. More importantly, it has held on to the crucial gap area, and also it has formed a higher bottom today, which indicates that today's low of 8089 becomes an extremely crucial level which should not be breached in the coming trading sessions for the positive momentum to continue on the upside. Our sense is that 8089 will act as a crucial support, and it can be used as a stop loss. Our sense is that that level should not be breached, and now in the coming trading sessions we should see trending moves on the upside. So now swift moves on the upside can be expected. We continue to maintain our positive stance in today's trading session. Yes, since past couple of trading sessions, holding on to position has been very difficult. Now our sense is that the positive momentum and swift trading moves on the upside should resume. So traders can continue to hold on to their long positions. Now moving on to the RV charts, we can observe that the fall has been well channelized in today's trading session. It has closed above the channel, above the 20 and 40 hourly moving averages. The momentum indicator has completed its pullback cycle and now has a positive crossover. So at this point of time, each and every indicator is indicating that now the correction is over and now the trending moves on the upside should resume. So we continue to maintain our positive stance for a target of 83.55 on the upside. Now moving on to the chart of Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty also saw quite a bit of rally in today's trading session after yesterday's big red candle. It has no follow through. However, we have seen bullish candle in today's trading session, so that indicates that yesterday's fall was just a reaction of the previous couple of days rise that we saw. On the hourly charts, we can observe that the previous or the rise from the lows was impulsive in nature. Yesterday's fall just a retracement, and now the positive momentum should continue for Bank Nifty as well. On the upside, we expect Bank Nifty can rise up till 18,240 and 18,600 on the upside, which can act as crucial resistances. 17,924 and 17,650 are crucial supports. So overall trends, the view on the Nifty and Bank Nifty remain positive. After yesterday's sell-off, the Nifty and Bank Nifty did not see any follow-through of that action. Yes, there was an intraday scare, however, that was contained, and the Nifty held on to the crucial support cluster and closed the day on a positive note. So this indicates that the correction is almost over, and now the trending move on the upside should resume in the coming trading sessions. 8089, which is today's low, and 7997, which is the previous swing low, are crucial supports, while 8331 and 8426, which are the 20 and 40 daily moving averages, shall act as crucial resistances. So that's all for the day. Thank you.